Hello, Fion for Furnace. I've been cleaner for 9 weeks. I got stuff need to go down the tip. I can't even go in the tip. So here is the new rules. Recycling centres reopen from 26th of May. Using the recycling centres are by appointment only. You should only make this essential journey if you cannot store your rubbish safely at home. Please keep at least 2 meters apart from others. You will need to manage your own recycling. Please be patient if there are queues. No appointment, no access. For more information, visit carmarthenshire.gov.wales/recycling. And now I'm going to check in my bags what need to be going out or not. Who put my precious Edgar in the bin? I have them, and they be in the tip, alright? And remember, could you have a drink?